Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm going to do an unboxing of this variable speed scroll saw that I just picked up from Harbor Freight. We're going to open it up and we're going to see what all we have and we're going to see what it looks like and we're going to check it out. Alright, it's got an instruction manual. Oh, it comes with, looks like maybe some extra feet and some blades. We'll have to look that up, I guess, once we get in there. Now these are the I believe these are 5.5 inch blades, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yes, these are 5-inch blades. 5-inch blades. All right. Take this out. Okay, I believe that's it. All right. This is it. Looks pretty nice. Cord's all wrapped up. Here is the on-off switch with the variable speed knob. And looks like you can set different angles on it. So if you want to cut like a 45 or a 30 or a 15 degree angle, looks like it comes from the factory set at 0. And it looks like it has a pressure plate here, I guess. And I'm assuming that the little end right here blows the dust off of it as you're cutting, and this is what tightens it up. I'm going to use this for cutting metal, so we're going to try it and see how it works. All right, let's see what we can do as far as cutting our first piece. I'm just going to cut just a little bit of this, because this is what I'm going to be cutting anyway. Alright, looks like it cut it pretty good. So it will work for the project that I'm wanting to use it for. It's going to have to take our time and make a good cut. But I believe it's going to work perfect.